Welcome to Softreviewed. In this video, I just want to show you how I got a Perplexity Pro account for free. I have not paid any money in order to upgrade to Perplexity Pro, and I am using it for free now, and it's valid for 1 year. So this is the 1 year plan. Before we start the video, this is only available for Indians, as far as I know, and you need to use the Airtel mobile network in order to actually use this for free. So those are the two things. If you are not in any of these two categories, then you can actually skip the video because this will not work for you. You need to be an Airtel subscriber in order to use this. It's really simple. All you have to do is come to this mobile app. You can go to your web store and type in Airtel, and this will give you like this app. Once you are on this app, all you need is to just click on the and just click here on rewards and OTT, and it will take you to this page where you can see the option is already there. As you can see, it's worth 17,000 rupees. Just click on claim now, and once you click on that button, it will take you to this page where the promo code is automatically entered, and you just need to click on this continue button. And yeah, that's it. And once you click on that, and if the activation is done properly, you will get a mail. Perplexity Pro or your has been activated. If you are still not seeing your account activated to Pro, just log out and log in once you get this mail. That's how easy it is. You don't have to pay any money if you are already an Airtel subscriber. Also download the Perplexity mobile app if you already are not having it. It's really like a great app, and you can also use their voice assistant to do a lot more things as well. This can be accessed both on your mobile and on your web as well. So really powerful app. Make most of it if you already are an Airtel customer. And I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please don't forget to share and subscribe. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day.
With software smooth and AI tough. Don't forget to share the love. Hit that button, rise above. Every click, every share grows the dream. Soft reviews your future gleam.